Happy Friday! Guess what happens on Fridays? We either start or end a bundle. Today we are ending the big birthday bundle. You guys asked for a birthday bundle. We got you a birthday bundle, but it's only good until midnight Eastern today, and I want to show you how fabulous this bundle is with one of the little items that I'm going to make in there. Cake toppers. Have you made cake toppers or cupcake toppers? They are so fun, and once you know how easy they are, you're never going to not make them, right? Okay, so the design that I'm using, hi Libby, the design that I'm using, hi Joe, is this happy birthday, okay, like I said, part of the birthday bundle, and all I did was bring this into Silhouette Studio, and then now obviously this cannot be a birthday topper, a cupcake topper, like it's a little floppy, right? Okay, so all I did was put a pretty large offset around it, about a 1/2 inch offset. And what we're going to do then is cut the offset, and then I've got a couple tricks up my sleeve for how we're going to put this bad boy all together. Now, because I made it this large, I would consider this cake topper size. If you put this on a cupcake, it might be a little over dramatic. I don't know anything about that, but it might just be a little bit. All right, so we are going to cut those offsets. Now, here's the thing. If you don't want the back of your cupcake topper or cake topper to be the back of the cardstock, you need to make 2 copies of it and reverse one of them so that you can sandwich them together. See, trick number 1. I've got a few of those up my sleeve. All right, so here we go. I'm going to pull you down here. I'm going to start cutting, and you'll see how easy this all comes together. All right, so let's send this to cut. I am using this glitter cardstock. It's from Best Creations. That's the brand, which I love. It cuts really easily with Silhouette on the glitter cardstock settings, okay? So, while that's cutting, and you'll see that I end up with 2 of them because, like I said, I made a copy of the original offset so that we have 2, and then I reversed one so that we can sandwich them together. All right, so the next thing that you need after you get this all cut is probably my most favorite thing in my craft room besides my cameo. A Xyron machine. Do you guys have a Xyron? It is this little handy dandy thing. It puts basically turns anything into a sticker, okay? So, all you're going to do for that is we're going to run 1 copy of the offset, the bigger piece of the cardstock through. That's going to put adhesive on the back so that we can sandwich them together. Then, we are very gently going to run this through, and what that's going to do is make this into a sticker too so that we can position it right on top of the larger offset background, okay? Alright, so as soon as this is done, I'll show you that. The Xyrons come in a whole bunch of different sizes. This is the 9-inch, and this is an old school one, so if you're looking for it, you can get them on Amazon or wherever. It'll look a little bit different. This thing's awesome. It's one of those things that's like the anti-2019. Like, it's just a crank. There's no electronic part to it. There's no battery. You just crank it, right? It's like old school fun. So, but it's really a cool machine. Alright, so it comes with, well, you'll see in a second. You can also get them, put like magnet material on the back. I think there's one that does laminating or whatever. I just use the adhesive part, and I use it for all different kinds of things. Anything that I need to put adhesive on the back of cardstock, anytime I want to, put something, sandwich things together, I put the leather through there for the earrings. It works really, really well. Okay, so this is about done cutting, and for some reason, it didn't unload. Okay, so here is my cardstock cut here, okay? Let me just pull that off of there, and then we can see it. Oops, it didn't cut. Yeah, okay, sorry. I even did a test cut. Okay, so we'll get that off of there, and I'll show you in just a second. I need to clear off my table. I don't have any room here. Okay. Rotating everything around. Okay, so, I'm breaking everything. All right. Okay, so here is the cardstock, 2 pieces, right? Okay, now, you see I have the 2 copies. Just put it just there. Okay. All right. Now, this is pretty substantial, so it's not flopping around. And so now I can put this so that the back of my cake topper is also glitter. Ta-da! All right, now, what do? We take our Xyron, one copy. You don't need both, right? And you just roll it through. And it comes out on the other side, over here, okay? Now, this thing, I don't know what's going on here. I'm just gonna cut it because it's a little not cooperating. I feel like it thinks it's Saturday or something already, like it's done with the week, right? Okay, so that's that. So now I have this, it's inside this adhesive layer. You pull that part off, that's trash. And now I have put adhesive on the back of this. See how that's sticky? Okay, so now I'm just gonna place this piece right on top, and it looks like it's double-sided cardstock because I have an exact copy, okay? Now, where'd my toothpicks go? Eventually, we are going to, oh boy, did I do it too soon? So yeah, okay. I'm gonna just slide a little toothpick, or if you have, last night's chopsticks, slide those bad boys in there, and they will be your little things that hold it into the cake. Okay, well, we're not going to worry about that part right now. All right, we're going to add in the happy birthday. Now, this is the piece, the actual piece that was the design from the birthday bundle, okay? It's very delicate, so be very careful with how you do this. Okay, I'm going to, actually, I think I can load both in at the same time. So if you put them sideways, you kind of have to guide it a little bit until the machine grabs it, and then it'll start going. Now, all of you people out there who are like, what about the dot on the eye? Like, I don't really care that much about the dot on the eye, but a lot of people are all about the dot. I got a trick for that too. Just wait. Okay, so that's ready. Now, we are going to take this off. Okay. Ugh, I'm rushing.